In this free CMMS software training video, I'm going to instruct on how to use the work order screen in MateSmart. I'll begin by logging in. In this case, I'm going to use the bypass logins that are available in the demo version of MateSmart. I'm logging in as an administrator, which gives me capability to go anywhere in the program and do any function. Next, I'm going to go to the work order screen, and I'll notice when the work order screen opens there are a few work orders already in here. I want to add a new work order, so I'm going to click the new button, and I'll notice that all the boxes and other controls become available when I click the new button. I have a couple that are red. This indicates that these are required fields. I'll click on the drop down and I'll see my equipment list. If I want to filter this, I could type search, or I could use my equipment filter. In this case, I'll filter by conveyors. I'll choose a conveyor. Same thing with tasks. I could type search or I could filter. I'm going to go ahead and filter conveyor tasks. And at this point, if I click the save button, it adds work order number 314 to the system. Now that was a pretty minimal work order, so let's go ahead and add some more information to it. In order to edit this work order, I left click the row that contains that work order. Notice the boxes become available again. I'll go ahead and assign this to someone, and I could assign it to multiple technicians if need be. In this case, I'm just going to assign it to one. I can give it a type, a priority, and so on. All the data in these drop-down boxes is user-defined. I'm also going to add some detailed instructions, and when I click the details button, I get the details box that pops up. Now I can drag and drop, copy, paste, or simply type right into this. And this will contain unlimited text, so you can fully describe the procedure for your work order. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and open a procedure file that I'd created previously. By saving these, you can add great consistency to your workflow process. I'll click OK, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add a file attachment, or better yet, I'm just going to embed an image into the work order. Now if I decided to add a file attachment, it could be any type of file. Web page, Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Word, images, even videos can be attached to the work order. In that case, when you open the work order, that file will automatically open and either be displayed, or in the case of a video, start playing the video. I'm going to add this image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to embed this image into the work order so it's actually part of the work order and not an attachment. I'll left click it, and then I'll right click it, pick embed in work order, and at this point I think I have pretty much what I need in here. I might want to add estimated labor, and I'll click save. Okay, so I've just added that new work order 314. Let's see what it looks like. I'll left click it, and then I'll right click it, pick print preview. Now from the print preview screen I can obviously print, but I could also email this to one or more recipients, or convert it to just about any popular file type and then share it in that way. Okay, so there's our work order. It's got its barcodes on it, equipment barcode, work order barcode, all the information. It's got our instructions, and there's our image. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this work order. I'll select the row, because really closing it is just simply editing the work order. I'll select the row, and in this case I'm just going to check this little checkbox. And I think what I'm going to do, since the date assigned and the date completed are identical, I'll go ahead and update this just a little bit. And then I'll click save. Now we could have automatically calculated the labor hours based upon date completed minus the date assigned. There's many options here to choose from to automate various things in the work order screen. So there you have it, how to use the work order screen in MateSmart.